Okay, and 2, 3. Hi, birdie. Hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Where are you? Hi, birdie. Hi, hi, hi. Gorde bra. Gorde bra. Gorde bra, birdie. Oy, oy. There's a pretty butterfly over here, over here. The heter Sommerfjord Ponosk. Ang pangalan ay paro-paro sa Tagalog. You're so pretty, butterfly. How are you? Oy. Why so hard to take a video of Bumblebee? Why so hard to take a video of Bumblebee? Na ay nakapatong na pula na polka dot ug black. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Oy. Oy. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Hi. You are so faint. You're so pretty. Pretty butterfly. So pretty. So pretty. Ang ganda ng butterfly. Wrong di ay. Ang ganda ng paru-paru. Sa pohar. Oy. Vegetables. I couldn't live without vegetables. It's okay for me not to eat meat for a week or more. Vegetables, no. It's pretty hard to survive without vegetables because I'm used to eat vegetables every day. And I'm not just fond of eating vegetables, I am also fond of planting vegetables. Way back in the Philippines, my family plant vegetables in our backyard until now, up to now. Actually, not just vegetables but also different kinds of herbs, spices, and fruits. Here I got lots of peppers. I don't need to buy peppers from the store because my peppers give me lots of fruits. Not just fruits but leaves as well. A source of my green leaf vegetables. And for this week I'll be replanting these small peppers and the seedlings of my pichay is ready. I'll be replanting it as well. And you can see here that I am using peelings of fruits and vegetables as my fertilizer instead of buying inorganic fertilizers from the store. Here the soil is ready for replanting of vegetables. Here are the seedlings of pichay. Pichay is one of the most popular vegetables in the Philippines. Most popular because you can easily grow it. See, got lots of pichay seedlings. And I'm looking forward to harvest large leaves of pichay every day soon. Actually, I still have pichay that I could harvest. Grown pichay, I mean. And one thing, it's rare to find pichay in the store here, so I'm really looking forward to eat more pichay from my garden. Can we call it garden? I planted on pots. Here are some pots that are ready for pichay replantation. Yeah, I'll be replanting those pichay this week. And here are the happy limoncito or calamansi. Look at it, leaves, so healthy. Makes me feel happy as well. Okay, and 2, 3. Bari en, ik moet me denken. Party?
Ja, funny.